Wish Marketplace Integrator for Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Wish Marketplace Integrator for Dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out. The Wish Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool designed to help e-commerce sellers automate their dropshipping operations on Wish, a global marketplace known for affordable products across various categories. This integrator is made for sellers who want to simplify their workflow by automating product imports, inventory updates, and order fulfillment processes, allowing them to scale their businesses efficiently while maintaining accuracy in their listings. A major feature of the Wish Marketplace Integrator is its ability to seamlessly import products from suppliers into your Wish store. It supports bulk imports, allowing you to add large catalogs quickly. The tool also provides real-time synchronization of inventory and pricing, ensuring that your store's listings are always up to date and accurate. This helps reduce the risk of overselling or pricing errors. Additionally, the integrator automates the order fulfillment process. Once a customer places an order, the tool forwards it to your supplier, processes payments, and updates tracking information, making the entire process smooth and efficient. One of the strengths of this integrator is its ease of use. The interface is user-friendly, allowing both beginners and experienced sellers to manage their store and automate workflows with minimal effort. Its ability to sync product listings and inventory in real time across multiple suppliers is another key advantage, providing flexibility and reducing manual work. However, there are some weaknesses to keep in mind. The initial setup process can be tricky, especially for newcomers who may not be familiar with Wish's marketplace or API configurations. Additionally, syncing issues can occasionally arise, especially with multiple suppliers, requiring some manual intervention. In conclusion, the Wish Marketplace Integrator for Dropshipping is an excellent tool for sellers who want to scale their operations on Wish. With its automated features, real-time synchronization, and bulk import capabilities, it streamlines the dropshipping process and saves time. While the setup process may be challenging for beginners, the long-term benefits of automation and efficiency make it a solid investment. Check the links in the description for more details and see how this integrator can boost your Wish dropshipping success.